Most people think freedom comes from working harder, saving more, or climbing the corporate ladder. But here's the truth. If you don't have residual income, you're not free, you're fragile. Now stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you the exact math behind $1,280 per month or more in residual income, why most people fail at building freedom, and how to avoid it, and the duplication system that lets you scale without ads, without cold calls, and without chasing your friends and family. That's why this video is called Home Business Academy Owners Expose Residual Income Secrets. Freedom Fest was packed with entrepreneurs, investors, and thought leaders. The old systems are collapsing. Jobs, pensions, even higher education, they don't guarantee freedom anymore. So let's talk about the real solution. Building an online business, creating recurring income, and mastering affiliate marketing systems that pay you month after month. That's what HBA has already engineered. A system where freedom isn't just an idea, it's a monthly deposit. Now here's the math that makes HBA different. The Funnel Builder, $20 a month residually. The Premium level, $100 per month residually. The Let's Go app, $8 per month residually. That's $128 per member per month. 10 members? That's $1,280 a month. $100 members? That's $12,800 monthly. That's why this video is called the Home Business Academy Owners Expose Residual Income Secrets, because the numbers don't lie. This is proof in action. Today, I actually 3 hours ago had 2 sales from the same person. He opted into my funnel, probably watching my videos, and bought the $20 funnel builder level and the $100 premium level. $120, and you can see right, well, it's in my different email box. But yeah, he opted into my funnel and immediately bought. So, hot diggity money dancing dog. So most people quit right there. They get excited, they start, and when they stall out, that's the exact moment where freedom is either built or lost. Now stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you how duplication flips that script. How that you can scale without burning out, how your team wins even when you're offline, and how this system keeps paying after month after month after month. And that's why this video is called the Home Business Academy Owners Expose Residual Income Secrets. Because this isn't theory, it's a system that buys back your time. Think about the California gold rush. The first millionaire wasn't a miner. It was Sam Brannan, the guy who sold picks and shovels. He didn't gamble on finding gold. He built a business that every miner needed. That's exactly what we're doing here. The online world is the new gold rush. Most people are digging and hoping. But with HBA, you're the one selling the tools, the funnel builder, the training, the duplication systems. That's where the real fortunes are made. HBA is elite because it solves 2 massive problems. No residual income. HBA pays week after week residually, and it scales. No community. HBA has weekly masterminds, live coaching, and duplication frameworks. As Simon Sinek says, people don't buy what you do. They buy why you do it. HBA's why is freedom. As J. Abraham teaches, the key is leverage, and HBA multiplies your effort through duplication. Freedom is built on systems, not slogans. That's what HBA delivers. Now let's talk about the elite training Simple Freedom Warriors delivers, and how I'm dominating YouTube and even Google every single day, and how you can too. Because it's not about what I do. It's about watching what I do and taking it, because I'm giving it to you on a silver platter. If you join HBA with me at the $25 level or higher, I'm giving you this training that's helping me dominate YouTube day after day after day after day. From my very first video, I've been ranking on first page of YouTube. This is the training that taught me the daily steps to dominate any keyword, rank on the first page of YouTube every single day, and hit the first page of Google consistently. And it can do the same for you if you are consistent. If somebody basically, you say, give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime, you can dominate any program with this training. Any program. Any online business. And here's where it gets even better. When you lock arms with me at the $25 level, you're not just getting tools and training for yourself, your current members, your future members, and even their members all get the same daily steps, the same duplication system, and the same elite training. That means you don't have to babysit your team or reinvent the wheel. Everyone plugs into the same system, everyone gets the same roadmap, and everyone has the same chance to win. That's how duplication scales. That's how freedom multiplies. So here's the bottom line. Freedom Fest gave you the ideas. HBA and Simple Freedom Warriors gives you the duplicate execution. When you lock arms with me at the $25 level, here's what you get. A funnel builder that pays you $20 a month per member. Traffic, leads, and sales, and training that works for any program online. Instant commissions to your favorite payment processor. All you got to do is email your person. Daily step-by-step actions so you know exactly what to do to dominate. And I'm going to show you exact proof of that in just a moment. So stay with me. And duplication training so every member of your team, current, future, and downline, gets the same advantage. How amazing is that? We have the best training, we have the best team, we have the best tools, and we are giving you the training that either they don't know, your mentor doesn't know, or they're scared to teach you. No, we're not scared to teach you. We want you to advance. We want you to be the next stage walkers, okay? That's why this video is called the Home Business Academy Owners Expose Residual Income Secrets. So I'm going to show you the exact ranking that I've been talking about. No more bullshit. I'm going to show you the exact steps. So if I go to Let's Go App Review, you can see I'm in incognito. The number 2 video, sorry, that's the owner of the company, Mike Hobbs. So number 2 video is Make Money On With JJ. That's me. Okay? See if there's any more wins. Okay, that's the Google though. It's very hard to rank on Google. Okay? I'm doing it consistently. This is the Let's Go App Review. Guess what? Number 2. And the number 1 video is another team member of ours. But it isn't about me again. It's about you and your team. You plug them into this training and they will dominate. You've seen the Star Wars, the Clone Wars? You could have a clone army of people that are trained just like you. Okay? Let's see if there are any quick wins. And I'm moving on. That's another team member. And that's another Make Money On With JJ video. And another one. Okay? And another one. And there's another Mike Guthrie video. Moving on. Okay? This is DFY marketing system. And I don't know why it's not loading. But guess who's the number 1 video on Google? Me. Okay? And then look at this. I have 2 videos that are from Instagram. Okay? That's what this type of training will give you. How to dominate on any social media platform, okay? And let's look up home marketing. We were number 1 on YouTube, number 2 on YouTube. I'm sorry, number 1 on Google, 2 and 3 on Google, okay? Guess what? Number 1 on YouTube, okay? And look at this. Here's another one, and another, 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 and another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. So let's check another recent video, and then we'll move on. Financial Literacy Academy. Guess what? Number 1 video from 17 hours ago. This morning. Immediately. Number 1 on Google. Do you want this elite training? Can you see the light bulb finally flashing in front of your eyes? Because I'm not special. I'm just following the steps that you can follow. Your people can follow, okay? Guess who's number 2? Postcard lifestyle. The same guy I told you before, okay? Number 1 immediately. Here's postcard lifestyle again. Moving on. Compensation plan. There's a video from me from 2 days ago. And there's postcard lifestyle, and there's REOTs, 2 team members that are following the exact same steps I'm doing. Okay, this is to show you that how easy it is to plug in a video into Home Business Academy. Okay, I want to show you online payments. Okay, that shows I'm not just bullshitting. Okay, so I'm going to check in here, and you see an 8305 payment. Okay. This is the sales for today. An 8305, a 3450, and a 650. Okay, so we're going to log into my online banking, okay, and show you exactly these payments. And again, remember, I got a $100 sale and a $20 sale about 3 hours ago, okay? So my team is growing. And you can be the next success story, okay? I'm plugging you into the exact methods. I'm paying this out of my own pocket, right? Because I believe in you, because I want you to win. Because this is what is changing my life and can change yours too, okay? 3450, 650, and 8305. And that 650 was automatically deposited in my account. I didn't have to cash out. It was automatically deposited. See, that's why I set up the system, and I get paid automatically, or I like to say auto-magically. And you can be paid auto-magically too if you just plug into this training and just put your head down to the grindstone and work. Okay? Work with me and we'll show you the exact same steps. You can watch these videos step by step by step. And my mentor and upline is instituting a training site, okay, that will take you through this, how to do this exactly. And we're going to be setting up a traffic rotator for you. So we're not only going to put you in my traffic rotator, but I'm going to set up a traffic rotator for you that you can put your members into. And so when I get a sale, it's either going my first person, once it's set up, it will go to me or you. That is the most important position. So, and then when we have 3, it'll go me, you, or the next person, okay? That's what a traffic rotator does, and it will do it for your team. So it will build your team on autopilot, okay? And I'm going to help build your team, get you traffic leads and sales on autopilot if you join with me at the $100 level, the $25 level, and the $8 level, and start being able to get $128 a month residually. Can you imagine how quickly you can get to all your goals with that? Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to set this up real quick. I'll be right back. So you just copy this. We're going to copy part of it because we're running short on time. So I'm going to back to the thing. You'll get the picture. I was recording and it didn't finish. So paste. Okay, and then you go over here and you share this, get the share code from your video, and go back to the thing and watch this video change. I think it might be a different video because I already changed it. Anyways, if you saw the beginning of it, you would see what I was talking about. And so that's how you do it. That's all you'd have to do. If you can do these simple steps, if you can stay consistent and follow these very simple steps, you can dominate YouTube and even Google every single day. You know, my first video, I ranked 3rd within a couple minutes with no views. I showed you my video where I'm ranked on Google and YouTube. And I showed you many different videos where I'm ranked 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 8th, etc. You can do this too. I'm not special. So smash the subscribe if residual income matters to you. Hit the like if you want more breakdowns like this, and drop a comment with your biggest takeaway. Click the link now, lock in your spot, and let's scale freedom together. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay. Get what you did today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.